Hey guys, this is my 1992 Mazda Miata, and if you're here to watch me tear this thing apart, you're a little late. I didn't film any of it. But if you're here to see if I can put it back together, welcome. Here's what's already been done. The underside's been cleaned and resprayed. Engine trunk has been engine trunk. The engine bay and trunk are also painted as well. None of it's perfect, but it's not going to be a show car. It's all about protection and access. Doing it now is way easier than later. This thing did have a little bit of rust in the floor pan. This is going to be a stock-ish semi-budget build. I'm not chasing crazy horsepower. I'm just trying to build a mild car. Right now, this car, fuck, you're gonna have a lot of editing to do. That's all I gotta say. Right now, this build is in a very specific stage. The entire car is apart and nothing is together. Well, that's not true. Where everything's apart, nothing's finished. Right now, this build is in a very specific phase where everything's apart and nothing is finished. This is a stockish, semi-budget build. I don't have a lot of money to throw at this thing, so we're gonna go pretty mild with it. I'm not going for crazy horsepower, and I'm trying to keep it on a budget. And I'm pretty confident I can do that. Not because I've done everything perfectly, but because I'm too committed to back out. In the next episode, we're gonna be replacing seals, doing timing, and probably pulling off the intake. If you wanna see if this turns into an actual car or a very expensive lesson, tune in for the next episode. You like that?
You like it?
Oh no, not really, but fuck.